Hello everyone, welcome again. There are 4 sheets 1, 2, 3, and 4. We'll do different with different cell which are important during our analysis or during some other activities we will perform in office or in university. Okay, now first of all we'll start with some random numbers, like we can write any number randomly here, like 45, 7, okay, 5, any number. Now fill in this way, but you can see the one cell from 1 to k is filled with 4, and they are same, and it is also the same, right? Then how we can write different number in different cell? It's a formula and I will teach you. Okay, let's start with a formula is equal to RAND. You can see this is RAND means random between, I will write 1 to 100. Okay, first bottom you filled 1, and in the top you filled 100, then close the bracket and hit enter. You can see a number, it is a random number, right? Now we can scroll it down. How to scroll it down, what will happen if you scroll differently, I have taught you in previous video. You can see that. Now here drag it down to the number 20, and you can see the different number, right? Now I can also do this for up to k, okay, or L or M. Look, they are different. Okay, it looks like exactly you have filled the data with your own. You also can do fill the number up to anywhere you like, but I'll fill up to 20. Let's say we have this data, random number. Now you are able to write or able to input any random data from any number, right? Like I have given here number 1 to 100. You can write 1 to 200, 300, 400, or any number as you like. Okay, this is one of the formula. Now you can copy it from here to any of the Microsoft Office, like Word, PowerPoint presentation, anything. Okay, now we'll go with the sheet number 2. It is also a random number. I filled the random number here, and as you can see there are some highlighted area, right, which are blank. In some case, like when you put your Excel sheet into the R, you should not have any of the cell empty. There are so many cell empty, right? And you have to fill it with 0. Like you will write with 0, then go to this line 0 and do this 0, 0, 0, 0. But it takes time. Okay, I will teach you how you can fill all the empty cells in a click, in a fraction of a second, with any number you like, but the number will be the same number. Like if you put 0 in one cell, all will be 0. If you put 10,000, it will be all will be 10,000. Okay, let's start. Now you can go to find and select. Okay, click here and you see go to or go to special, any of these. Okay, I will teach you with go to. Click on go to, then click on special, then click on the blanks. Okay, you can see many of the commands here, but I'll go with the blanks because I need to fill these blank cells. Then click OK. Now you can see all are selected. Now put 0 in one of the cell. You have given 0 here. Okay, now click Control CTRL Control and enter. All the cells are filled with 0. As you can see, all the cells are filled with 0. Okay, now this can also be done in a different way, like with shortcut key. When we click Control and G, you'll go to here, then go to special, then go to blank, then again click OK, then fill with 1, then click Control and enter. All the cells are filled with 1. Okay, this is the next trick you must know while using Excel. After this, let's go to sheet number 3. Here you cannot see any of the cell blank because I have not highlighted. Control G, special, blanks. Okay, then fill with 100 or 1000. Then click Ctrl plus Enter. Now you can see that all the empty cells are filled with 1000, right? Now let's go to the next part, and this is sheet number 4. Here I have highlighted some of the same numbers, 25, and we have to replace 25 with a number. Let's say I have to replace 25 with 88. Okay, let's replace it with 88. Go to replace, and you need to find 25, right? And replace with 88, and just do it. Replace all the 7 area which I have selected or highlighted are replaced with 88. You can see here, and with shortcut you can do Control H, then T8 with 25. Now okay, replace. Okay, all the 88 are replaced with 25. Close. You can see here all the 88 are replaced with 25. This much for today. Have a lovely day. Thank you for supporting me. See you.